of this.
The meaning of what?
I ordered this task to be completed an hour ago.
Yeah, you did.
You have failed me for the last time.
That's what you said the last time.
I have been too forgiving in the past. Do not fail me again.
Because that'll be the last time.
Yes. No. I don't know. Continue stalking. May I speak with you a moment, my master?
It's just Randy, okay, Chad?
Yes, my master.
And don't kneel, it's weird.
I have grave news. Tammy, I need you to work an extra shift on Saturday.
No.
Then she walked away.
Okay, so?
Our plans to make this station fully operational on Saturday may be jeopardized.
Look, just get someone to take her shift, okay, Chad?
As you wish.
Oh, Chad, I heard you're having some problems with Clint.
Clint is a fool, and I will not tolerate his insolence much longer.
Well, you're gonna have to resolve it. I can't have my day manager and my night manager at each other's throats all the time.
Yes, Emperor.
It's Randy! Randy! Not an emperor. Clarissa, I noticed your shift ends at 6 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, Lord Vader.
Please, call me Chad.
Yes, Chad.
I would like you to meet me at Gino's Pizzeria facility to, discuss some plans I have for a more powerful laser checkout system. And for dinner.
What?
Here, these are for you.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Chad?
I will return to this workstation at 6 p.m. to pick you up. I have a date. Chad has a date.
Hey, Chad. I just heard you and Clarissa are going out on a date.
It is not a date. It is purely to discuss the laser checkout system.
Yeah, I bet you want to check out her laser system, eh, Chad? Okay. Jesus, what is your problem?
Apology accepted.
Dick?
Picking on the staff again, huh, Chad?
Clint, we meet again at last. The circle is complete.
You don't get along with your employees too well, do you?
No.
Maybe you should try being less of a butthole.
How dare
I
you?
hear you can't even keep this joint staffed on Saturday night. You can't handle doing the schedule, sweetie pie. Then maybe Randy should give it to someone who knows what the crap they're doing.
I will not tolerate that.
Yeah. You just keep not tolerating, Chad. Keep on screwing the pooch. And I'm gonna pull that sweet little day manager position right up from under your big sweaty ass.
Now you will feel the full power of the...